Hi guys, I'm here to tell you about a book, and this book is actually written to manage kids' sensory processing disorder. Okay, guys, actually the beauty of this book is that first of all, it explains a child's different sensory signal and why he is showing the signal. Then it briefly explains that thing. And after that, it will recommend you like in 3 or 4 lines that how to manage this behavior. So it was really a good book. Actually, I myself dealt my son with sensory processing disorder, and this book was actually recommended by one of renowned occupational therapists in United Kingdom. So that's the reason I just wanted to share it with you guys. So wherever you are, either you are a parent or a teacher, I think this is a must read, and I will recommend that you buy this book with an immediate effect. Yeah. So for example, if like from this book I'm reading, I myself had this book. Yeah. So let me tell you that how this book explains everything. Okay. So child's problem often makes snorting sounds. All right. So now what this book says about the sensory explanation of this thing, making nasal type sound provides auditory input as well as the proprioception to the oral structure. This also provides a form of tactile input and vibration to the ears, heads, and throat. This may be soothing and regulating for the child and may also serve as a sensory anchor, especially when done in a certain pattern or rhythm. Okay, now the next thing is ideas to help. Encourage the use of an oral sensory tool, especially one with vibration. Offer bubble mountain on a regular basis. Try musical instruments involving respiration, such as a harmonica or recorder. Offer a vibrating toy or pillow. Encourage deep breathing. Play metronome game and involve fun mouth sounds. Try dancing, clapping, tapping, or snapping games and songs. So guys, yeah, so if you're a busy mom, a busy teacher, or any professional who is in this field dealing these kids with sensory processing disorders, so I think this book is a must read for you. So guys, just click the link below and tell me after reading that how you found this book. To me, it was a great book, and probably it's a must read for every parent who thinks that his child is different from other kids, or who thinks that his child might be having sensory processing disorder. So guys, just go ahead, buy this book, and thanks for watching.